Hi, this is Joseph. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make over $100 a day when you trade. I get that question quite a bit from a lot of new subscribers. And excuse me, basically what they're trying to determine is the lot sizing that's appropriate. They're trying to figure out if they have enough money in their trading account to justify trading. Let's say you can see right here, one of the last trades I executed on Friday was this short here on the pound dollar. And I always use a 1.00 with the trade copier, but when you use the trade copier, you can specify the trade copier to use let's say half that size, a zero point 0.5 or a 0.1, 0.01, something like that, whatever lot size you're comfortable with. But it really depends on how much money, obviously, you have available in your trading account. If you don't have more than, let's say, $1,000 in your trading account, you're most likely not going to get away with executing a standard lot. And the first thing that I usually say to anybody that's going to be asking me, even new people that I meet on the street, maybe at a family function or something like that, they'll ask me, I heard you know how to trade. How, what do I need to be able to trade and earn at least $100 or $200 a day? And the first thing I tell them is that they have to have sufficient capital. They've got to have enough money in their trading account to justify, at least a standard lot or half a standard lot. That's what I would recommend. I would recommend if you can, start off with a trade balance, a trade size that would justify or comfortably let you execute a one standard lot size. Because at that point, let's say, for example, on the pound dollar, this was a 30-point move. So I was able to earn $300 on the trade. And it didn't take that long. It was a relatively quick and easy trade. Basically, and I'm not going to talk about the specific strategy for the, what type of strategy you could use to earn, 30 pips or 50 pips or 60 pips. We'll talk about that in other videos. But in this video, I just want to talk about getting your mindset and a basic understanding around the amount of capital that you need to justify trading a standard lot. And executing a standard lot is the quickest and the easiest way that you're going to get to earning over $100 a day or $300 a day. Again, this was just a 30 pip move. And I'm not saying that it's always easy. I mean, if you just wait for the setup, you can get a 30 pip trade. With most of the strategies that I use, the continuation breakout trade, that pays 55 pips. When I trade a continuation breakout trade, I can earn $550 on one standard lot on the pound dollar or euro dollar. So if it's a 30 pip move, I'm going to earn $300. If it's a 10 pip move, I'm going to earn $100. So a 10 pip move, I think most of us can, comfortably accept and agree that, finding decent trades, maybe two or three, possibly even more in a 24-hour period, is going to give you an opportunity. As long as you're patient, you wait for the setups, it's going to give you an opportunity to earn about 10 pips on your trades. So you could do that two or three times in a 24-hour period pretty comfortably. And especially if you're looking at, let's say, just two currency pairs, euro dollar and pound dollar. And that would be, in my opinion, the easiest way to do it. There's obviously other ways to do something like that. But now trading standard lots, when we earn when we have like a 100 point day or even 70 points, that's $700 to $1,000. And that's a really good, now you're really making decent money. You're making quite a bit of money. You can't do that every single day. You can only do that, obviously, when the market's providing the opportunities. Sometimes, markets are going to be moving in a relatively tight trading range. Lately, with the volatility and the wild, large daily trading ranges, we've seen some pretty decent trades where you could make well over $500, $600, $700 in a day using a standard lot. So that's the quickest, easiest way to get $100 a day. Either do a half standard lot, two trades at $10 a point, or one standard lot and get one trade where you earn 10 pips and you're getting $10 a point. That's going to get you that $100.